Recording.
Well, as I came into this parking lot today, there was a Slingshot parked a few cars down. I thought, hey, this is a cool day for a ride. Looks like a nice three-wheeler. And then he backed out of the parking spot and his front end collapsed. So that's not a good thing. It looks like it was in a wreck, but actually was not. It was just a bolt that sheared off from his suspension and a whole front collapse. So that's a shame. He said he's from Houston, which is about 3 hours away, I think. And yeah, this is not going anywhere unless they put it on a flatbed. He said he was up to 100 miles an hour yesterday in it. I'm glad he didn't do that today. And sure glad it didn't happen while he was driving. So you just never know. Mechanical failure. He's coming back in. He got a ride in that pickup truck there. I guess he went to do something. So, anyways, I'm out on the Gull Wing today, and weather's not all that nice, so I think I'm going to head back to Round Rock and we'll see if we catch some bluebonnets along the way. All right, man. See you later.
Recording.
Well, look what we got here. There's a little patch of bluebonnets. Told you I'd find you some. That's a little patch, that's for sure. Sometimes we see fields of bluebonnets, but haven't seen much of that yet today. Here we are at a little rest stop, little post office at Sweatener, Texas, it's called. Got a little eating place and some picnic tables over yonder. Little windmill going on. It is windy today. Kind of nasty. But got to put those miles in. All right. See ya.